Hi, and welcome to Yolo Queen Bee Tarot. I am Yolo Queen Bee. So I'm clearing the cards. Clear a space. Incense for the ancestors. And we have a lit candle for our angels who are actually drawn to light. The different angels are drawn as different things. We have angels drawn to fire and the warmth. That's why fire signs love the heat, love fire. All right. Had me some cannabis. So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a reading for Sagittarius. Hey, I am Sagittarius, so I am partial to Sagittarius. Actually, I'm Ophiuchus, and if you stay with my channel, I probably will divulge more about my spiritual journey and coming to understanding of just exactly who I am. A queen indeed. Hey. All right. I've prayed over the cards, and so we just ask Elohim and our spirit team, ancestors, known and unknown, to give us messages for the sign for Sagittarius. What's going on with Sagittarius? Sagittarius. We're having a lot of joy. There's a lot of joy. That's good. Good feeling, good vibes. I love it. Someone's missing you. I have a Neo station on my Pandora. Missing you. Who sings? Which? I'm bad with artists. Let me tell you. Let me give them credit. Oh yeah, Missing You by Diddy. Hello. So somebody missing a Sagittarius? I would. They're fabulous. So how you guys been doing? I'm sure anybody being drawn to my channel, and I'm being tongue-tied because I'm getting messages. So two things to remind everybody. I can go into a lot of detail, but I'm a big advocate of drinking natural spring water, a gallon a day, please. Water is very underrated medicine, natural spring water. And also add some key lime to it, key lime. And man, if you've never had the opportunity to go to an actual headwaters of a natural spring, I would say do it. I was called home. I had a calling to go call home to Mount Shasta, which is a few hours from here. And I have to say, every time I go to that mountain, I'm at peace. And if you ever have a chance, go there to go to City Park and be blessed by the blessing of the water that literally comes out of rock. Best water you will ever taste in your life. And there are people who go there every day and draw raw water. And it's a beautiful thing. It really is. All right. Sagittarius. 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 Sexy thing. All right. Sagittarius, please. Ooh. Queen of Swords. Someone in some Queen of Swords energy. Ooh, some conflict. Someone's in their head. Defensiveness. What's going on? And that card wanted to peek out. Messages. Judgment. Dang, I heard that. I'm sorry. I shouldn't slap the cards because I'm sure it probably hurts your ears. So the Queen of Swords, you know, the Queen of Swords is, she's a shit. But she's straightforward. She ain't fucking around. She ain't got time. Ain't no one got time for that. I was just saying, ain't no one got time for that. She wants to know the who, what, when, where, and why now. So she can just fix it. She ain't got time for that. But there's some kind of, you know, this is like a, it's conflict, but you're kind of at an advantage point about something. So maybe she's at an advantage point, but something, she's in her head. This Queen of Swords are in her head, or she's mental. She's having some mental conflict. So maybe there's going to be some kind of information or messages coming, maybe about some mental illness of the Queen of Swords. Because when the Queen of Swords lose it, everybody better run. For real. And there's judgment. So yeah, maybe there's going to be some messages. Someone's lost their noodle. Full moon. Lunatics come out. It is real. That is no joke. I worked on an acute sack board. I know. Tell me about this Queen of Swords. What is going on with her, Elohim? The sun. The sun is ultimate happiness, but it could be a Leo, so maybe she's having trouble with the Leo. Or she wants happiness. What's this? Clarify the sun. She's almost in doubt of the things she's laid down to harvest or money or create. She's having doubt in her happiness, in her vision. What's the Seven of Swords? Seven of Wands, please. Ooh. This third-party situation all over the damn place. So we got Three Pentacles, and the Knight of Wands. Now the Knight is about action, fast-moving action, to come spill the tea. And he's like headed, you know, look at him. Like to come spill the tea. He's like headed towards the Queen of Swords. He's like, so, and usually it's harsh kind of a truth. So maybe he's coming to tell the truth about a third-party situation or a collaboration or some kind of business deal or something that's created some kind of conflict. Why is she in her head? Why is the Eight of Swords? A lot of swords here. Oh. Healing. She's been sick. Someone's been sick. Or she was blindsided by some illness or something. What are these messages? What's the messages? Oh, I wanted to... Ooh. Now, messages, to clarify messages, we got, again, the Knight of Wands. So, you know, about a battle, ending of a battle, but also a Page of Pentacles. Now, pages are about messages, incoming messages, but this page is young, so either it's about young money or a child. which would be the judgment to maybe the third party situation. This Knight of Swords is racing to go confess to the Queen of Swords because of a Leo and someone being like hovering about hiding money or something. I don't know. Very interesting. What's the judgment? Sneakiness. Someone lying. Or maybe that's the judgment someone got for being sneaky. Trying to get away with something. Could be. Well, let's get them a Gaia card. No? Okay. Sacred Feminine Energy. Now, these are also wonderful cards. If you're interested, I'll also put it in the description. But they are Tarot of the Sacred Feminine. And, you know, our femininity, if you're in tune with your ancestors, you know that the Egyptian was all about their female goddess. The women were cherished because they understood that as women, we are co-creators. We are the link between heaven and earth. As above, so below. As within, so without. There's one more line to that. Look it up, they say. Look it up. Right? Okay, ancestors, I'm listening. And I just saw it yesterday. I'm just looking at this, right? Of course. Excuse me. Ill prepared. But they want me to get it right. Okay. Anyway, we ain't got time for that right now. We'll get it. So I'll come back with it. Who's on? Can't Help But Wait, Trey Songs. Somebody's waiting for somebody? Maybe. Sacred Feminine Energy. All right. What cards do you have for us for this situation for Sagittarius? 3. Okay. So this one is Queen of Cups. Let's see. Astarte and the death of Adonis. In Hebrew, it be Adonai or Lord. The month of the boar, from 30th September until 27 October, when the sun begins to die, the power of the king gives life to regenerate the earth. Wow, so it's about regeneration. Maybe it looks like this reading was about a relationship. So for Sagittarius, maybe a Sagittarius is in their Queen of Swords energy, which they ain't taking no BS. So maybe someone's trying to restore something, restore a relationship or a connection, or that's something. And that's funny because we're actually, for this time, we're like right in this time Like November? That's a trip. We're close. We're close. But yeah, of course, it's winter time, so things are slowing down, dying to rebirth, right? In the spring. So maybe they're talking about a rebirth of something as well. Okay, let's go here. Oh, this is a tower card. You know, now tower in Taro means just a huge change. And it doesn't always mean bad. It could be like even an emotional kind of a tower where someone has to release and that kind of a thing. Tower could be that something is crumbling down, like down to ground zero, right? Nothing but solid foundation when the tower goes down. So let's read what this sacred feminine energy says. Hecate, the Greek goddess, imprisoned man with her magic. The labyrinth means losing oneself in the meanderings of madness, the negative evolution due to the previous acronym. So maybe someone is in mental conflict. Someone's having a mental health day. You know, listen. I've had some crazy experiences in my life that involve death. And I'm truly convinced that mental illness and people who are going through the dark night of the soul is probably pretty hand in hand. Let me tell you. Yeah, no one said it was all love and light. So this is the Hermit. Demeter sought her daughter in vain, and nature weeps with her. Seeking is typical of the autumn of life, an inner analysis that we must face in order to seek the help of others. So until you're able to go within and know when you need help, or maybe you need to make sure you check yourself that, you know, if you're having mental conflict, that you're able to check yourself, be like, you know what, I need help. Okay, so you know, you call. They do have crisis lines, so every county, every city has a crisis line. You call 911 and say I need crisis, and I'm sure they can switch you right over. All right, that's what I have for you. Sagittarius, namaste. Remember, you only live once, and I love you.